We got the camera and junk, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Camera's in the back seat.
So that's one thing I cannot forget. Damn, has he missed the front end of his car?
Yeah.
He just hit that guardrail.
Just?
Yeah. I might have got that on tape. Yeah, he hit right there.
Is that just now?
Yeah, I might have got that on tape. Right there.
Really? Yeah. The pieces are right there.
No, cars are just appearing out of the snow. Watch.
Uh-huh.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
Look.
Wow. CJ. What do you want me to do with this?
There's a line right across my window. I can't see. Bond Street. This one's for you, Matt. Bond Street.
As you go like this, try to point at it, and the camera's facing the other way.
Shut up, Phil. Yeah, I should have done that. Look, Icy Road, 12 West. It's mixed with frozen rain.
Is that what I'm hearing?
When I look back, I can see.
Yeah. Snownado. Wow.
I love these open fields. This is one really open field. Yeah, this is the one I want to get right here. This footage of this. Yeah,
Honey, I can't see anything.
that's the point. I gotta get to the lake. There's somebody parked right there. That's why the area I want to go towards. So I need to go where he's at. Watch this side, make sure there's no cars. I need to park behind this building. Yes.
But it's not only just blowing snow, it's blowing sand too.
Yeah, that's why I'm getting over here.